While the Nazca Lines of Peru often dominate the global conversation regarding ancient geoglyphs, they are dwarfed in sheer scale and complexity by a monumental achievement located in the high-altitude desert of western Bolivia. The Sajama Lines, etched into the arid Altiplano near the towering Nevado Sajama volcano, represent the largest archaeological site in the Andes and arguably the world. Spanning an astonishing 8,700 square miles, this network of perfectly straight paths offers a baffling glimpse into the engineering and spiritual lives of an ancient pre-Incan civilization. The Sajama Lines are not drawings of animals or celestial symbols as seen in Nazca. Instead, they are a hyper-precise web of thousands of straight lines, some stretching for up to 12 miles. Unlike modern roads that contour to the land, these lines maintain a rigorous, unyielding straightness, cutting through rugged terrain, crossing ridges, and ignoring the natural obstacles of the scrub-filled plains. The construction of these lines was an exercise in negative artistry. The ancient creators, likely the Carangas people, achieved the effect by painstakingly scraping away the dark, oxidized surface rocks and vegetation to reveal the lighter-colored soil beneath. While the technique itself is simple, the scale is monumental. The total length of the network is estimated to be over 16,000 kilometers, roughly 3 times the width of the United States. One of the most distinctive features of the Sajama Lines is their organization. They do not wander aimlessly. Instead, they radiate outward from central points, often referred to as hubs. These hubs are frequently located on hilltops or at the sites of ancient shrines, huacas, and burial towers, chulpas. From a high-altitude perspective, the landscape looks like a giant petrified web or a complex circuit board. This has led to various theories regarding their purpose. Mainstream archaeologists believe the lines served as sacred pilgrimage routes, connecting important religious sites and allowing the faithful to navigate the vast, featureless desert during ritual processions. Even today, some of these lines are still used by indigenous populations to reach local chapels, suggesting that the Sajama Lines are a living archaeological site. The level of precision required to maintain a straight line over miles of undulating terrain without modern surveying equipment remains a primary mystery. Some researchers suggest that the builders used simple sighting tools, perhaps 3 poles aligned in a row, to maintain their trajectory over the horizon. However, the sheer vastness of the network has birthed more speculative theories. Some proponents of alternative history argue that the lines represent an ancient energy system, or ley lines, intended to harness the spiritual power of the earth. Others point to the fact that the true pattern of the lines is only visible from a high altitude, leading to the perennial question, for whom were these lines intended? Was it a God's eye view for the deities inhabiting the volcano? Or did the ancient builders possess a sophisticated understanding of aerial perspective that we have yet to fully comprehend? Despite their massive size, the Sajama Lines are incredibly fragile. They exist in a delicate balance with the environment, protected only by the region's extreme aridity and low population density. Today, they are threatened by modern developments such as road construction and grazing livestock, which can easily blur or erase the ancient scrapings. The Sajama Lines stand as a testament to the sophistication of the pre-Hispanic cultures of the Altiplano. They represent a civilization that didn't just inhabit the landscape, but transformed it into a colossal, sacred map. Whether viewed as a feat of engineering, a spiritual highway, or a prehistoric enigma, the lines remain a silent, sprawling masterpiece etched into the very crust of the earth.